Hello everyone, myself Mukesh Singh. Today we will study of chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? Is Matter Around Us Pure is the second chapter of class 9 of chemistry. Actually we have successfully completed our first chapter, that is matter in our surrounding. Now we have to move ahead. Our second chapter is, once again I repeat, is matter around us pure? From the topic of the chapter, from the chapter name, it is clear that in this chapter we will cover the different types of matters which is made up of only one type of particles or maybe of more than two or more than two types of particles. Okay, so now let us move. First of all, we should know about most of the things which exist around us are not pure. Some substances are pure, but mostly matters which is present around us are impure. Pure and impure, it doesn't mean that pure means what? In Hindi you can say Sudh. No, actually pure means a substance which is made up of only one kind of particles. Okay, so first of all, as we look around, we can see that most of the matter around us exists as a mixture of two or more pure components. मीन्स हमारे आसपास में जितनी भी चीजें हैं मोस्टली वो मिक्सचर है. हो सकता है कि वो कोई दो कंपोनेंट, दो प्योर सब्सटेंस का मिक्सचर हो या दो से अधिक प्योर सब्सटेंसेस का मिक्सचर हो. इट इज क्लियर दैट फ्रॉम हियर मेनली most of the substances around us are not pure. Now, for example, milk, seawater, minerals, soil, air, cold drink, etc. All these things are mixture. All these things are what? All these things are mixture, means they are not pure. All these things are not pure. It seems to pure, but it is not pure substances. These all are not pure substances. Milk, if you take the example of milk is a mixture of water, fat and protein, etc. So we can't say milk is pure substance. We can't say milk is pure substance. So milk is what? A mixture. We will see later. If this is mixture, then which type of mixture we will see later. Okay, now see once again. Okay, now classification of matter. Actually in chapter 1 we have classified the matters into three groups: solid, liquid and gas, and two more classification was there, that is BEC and plasma and BEC. But here classification will be on the basis of their chemical properties. Here classification will be on the basis of their chemical properties. So we can write here as matter, maybe what? Solid, liquid, gas, but broadly classified, matter is broadly classified into two groups. First is pure substances. What? Pure substances. And second is what? Impure substances. Impure substances. Pure substances further classified into two parts, two groups. What? Elements, or maybe what? Compounds. Element, maybe what? Metals, non-metals, or metal wax. And here impure substances is what? Mixture. And it is also classified into two groups. First is homogeneous and second is what? Heterogeneous. Okay. Now you can see the this flow chart. Actually, matter is classified into three groups: solid, liquid, and gas. But on which property? On the physical property of substances, on the physical property of matter. If we consider the chemical properties, then matter is classified into two parts. First is what? Pure substances, and second is what? Impure substances. Pure substances further classified into two groups: elements and compounds. Then after, elements is also classified into three parts: metals, non-metals, and metal wax. We know there are 118 elements, and out of which 92 are pure, means naturally occurring, and rest are what? Man-made. Impure substances, mixture. Mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Is it clear? If we talk about elements, then H2, N2, O2, Cl2, O3, etc., P4, S8, etc., all these are the example of elements because they are made up of only one kind of atoms. Elements are made up of only one kind of particles, only one kind of atoms. That's why they are pure and called element. If we see the definition of compound, then what will be the definition of compound? When element combine together in a fixed ratio chemically, then a compound will form. So example of compound is what? H2O, CO2, NO2, etc. All these things are compound because they are made up of only one kind of particles, that is molecules, and that molecules will be H2O, CO2, NO2, etc., SO2, etc. So compound में more than one type of atoms होते हैं more than one types, but उनकी ये हम जानते हैं कि compound का simplest particle molecule होता है. Molecule is the simplest particle of compound and atom is the simplest particle of an element. So which type of molecule? H2O, CO2, NO2, SO2, etc. C6H12O6, C12H12O11, all these things. So compound, examples of compound. Now elements, metals, non-metals, and metal wax. So many examples of metal are there: sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, etc. Non-metals: oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, etc. Metal wax is what? Elements having the property of both metals and non-metal. Means these are the intermediate of metals and non-metals. Examples are silicon, germanium, antimony, etc. Now, if we talk about mixture, then mixture is also classified into two groups: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means what? Homogeneous mixture means a mixture having same composition, uniform composition throughout the solution, throughout the mixture. Means mixture में जितने भी टाइप के सब्सटेंसेस हैं वो मिल करके उस सॉल्यूशन में या उस मिक्सचर में एक यूनिफॉर्मिटी का फॉर्मेशन करेंगे, एक यूनिफॉर्म लेयर का फॉर्मेशन करेंगे. एज फॉर एग्जांपल, मिक्सचर ऑफ व्हाट? सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. Mixture of salt and water, sugar and water, alcohol in water. All these are the example of what? Homogeneous mixture, because they are made from two or more than two components, but they mix together and form a single layer. Means throughout the mixture composition will be remains same. Now heterogeneous mixture. Hetero means what? Different. Homo means what? Same. Homo means what? Same. And hetero means what? Different. means same composition and here different compositions. As for example, if we mix the sand in water, what will happen? A mixture will obtain, but this type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. This type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. You can take another example, chalk powder and water. We know that chalk powder is not soluble in water. It will precipitate in the bottom of the container. That's why it is also an example of what? Heterogeneous mixture. Okay, see. Now, my dear children, we will move ahead and start our next topic, that is what is the differences between pure substances and impure substances. What are the different examples will be of pure substances and impure substances. We will see here. Now, my dear children, we will study about the pure substances and impure substances. What are the basic differences between them? We will study here. First of all, you should know about what is substance. What is substance? So a substance is matter. A substance is a matter which has a specific composition and properties. Substances may be pure or impure. मीन्स यहाँ पे कह रहा है सब्सटेंस जो है वो एक ऐसा मैटर ही है, लेकिन उसका प्रॉपर्टी जो है वो स्पेसिफिक होता है, वो उसका जो कंपोजिशन होता है एंड प्रॉपर्टी जो होता है वो एक फिक्स्ड होता है. सब्सटेंसेस में भी प्योर और इम्प्योर. सब्सटेंसेस प्योर भी हो सकते हैं, एज फॉर एग्जांपल एलिमेंट एंड कंपाउंड, एंड सब्सटेंसेस इम्प्योर भी हो सकते हैं, एज फॉर एग्जांपल ऑफ heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Now, pure substance definition. The material is said to be a pure substance when it possesses following characteristics. हम लोग किसी मटेरियल को तभी प्योर बोलेंगे जब उनमें ये दोनों प्रॉपर्टी हो. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज इट हैज द सेम केमिकल कंपोजिशन थ्रू आउट इट्स बल्क. हमने पहले भी बात किया, जस्ट इससे पहले मैं थोड़ा देर पहले बात किया कि प्योर सब्सटेंस जो होता है उसका केमिकल कंपोजिशन थ्रू आउट द बल्क. बल्क मींस व्हाट? पूरा. बल्क मींस पूरा. इट हैज द सेम केमिकल कंपोजिशन थ्रू आउट इट्स बल्क, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ इट्स कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स आर ऑफ सेम काइंड. ये मटेरियल, ये सब्सटेंस जिसमें पार्टिकल से मिलकर बना हुआ है, जितने भी पार्टिकल से मिलकर बने हुए हैं वो सारे के सारे पार्टिकल्स सेम होंगे, एक टाइप के होंगे, एक काइंड के होंगे, वो सारे पार्टिकल्स. एज वी नो दैट इफ यू टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट 20 ग्राम CO2 का दो, 20 ग्राम CO2, then in 20 ग्राम CO2 how many atoms or how many molecules will be? Millions and millions of molecules will be there. So and all the particles, that is molecules, will be same of this oxygen gas or carbon dioxide gas. Pure substances, a material is said to be a pure substance when it possesses following characteristics. ये two characteristics होना चाहिए. First is it has the same chemical composition throughout its bulk, that is all of its constituent particles are of same kind. And second, it exhibits the same and definite set of properties throughout its bulk. means पूरे bulk में, पूरे उस मटेरियल को हम पूरे एज अ होल लेते हैं तो उसमें उस मटेरियल का हर टुकड़ा, हर पार्ट, हर फ्रैगमेंट्स विल बी ऑफ सेम प्रॉपर्टीज. उसकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या होगी? सेम होगी. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इम्प्योर सब्सटेंसेस. फर्स्ट वन प्योर सब्सटेंस एंड सेकंड इज इम्प्योर सब्सटेंस. इम्प्योर सब्सटेंस, it is a mixture of two or more chemically different substances. Impure substance होता है वो दो या दो से अधिक सब्सटेंसेस का जो कि केमिकली डिफरेंट हो, मीन्स वो केमिकली डिफरेंट करने का मतलब अलग अलग सब्सटेंसेस हैं, वो मे भी दोनों अलग अलग एलिमेंट होंगे, वो दोनों अलग अलग कंपाउंड हो सकते हैं, या एक एलिमेंट और एक कंपाउंड होगा। तो मिक्सर ऑफ टू और मोर केमिकली डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस मिक्स्ड इन इनडिफरेंट प्रोपोर्शन, उनकी प्रोपोर्शन फिक्स नहीं होगी, किसी को भी कितना भी ले लो, मिक्सर तो बनेगा ही। द कंस्टिट्यूएंट सब्सटेंसेस रिटेन देयर प्रॉपर्टीज इन द मिक्सर। दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट एक्चुअली इन मिक्सर constituent particles or constituent components of that mixer will retain their property in the mixer। इस मिक्सर की प्रॉपर्टी वही होगी जो उसके constituent particles का प्रॉपर्टी है। constituent particles अपना प्रॉपर्टी को उस मिक्सर में भी रिटेन रखता है, मीन्स प्रेजेंट रखता है, लेकिन कंपाउंड में ऐसा नहीं था, कंपाउंड में नहीं था। As we know that water is a compound, it will form from where? When hydrogen gas and oxygen gas react chemically, then water liquid will be formed. But hydrogen is what? Hydrogen bonds with pop sound, means hydrogen is a fuel, you can say. So hydrogen bonds with pop sound, oxygen is supporter of combustion, and water is what? Fire extinguisher. So we can see here water have different property rather than hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Similarly, if we talk about sodium chloride, common salt, sodium is toxic, chlorine is toxic, poisonous, and sodium chloride is used in our everyday life. So we can say that compound have different property than its constituent element, but in mixer constituent of mixer will retain their property in the mixer. Okay, एक पॉइंट बनेगा, दैट इज impure substances contains more than one kind of particles, more than one kind of particles. Impure substances contains more than one kind of particles, means मिक्सर में एक से अधिक तरह के एलिमेंट्स या एक से अधिक तरह के कंपाउंड या दोनों प्रेजेंट होंगे। एज फॉर एग्जांपल मिक्सर का हमने देखा था होमोजेनियस मिक्सर, व्हाट सॉल्ट इन वाटर, salt is itself a substance, that is what? Compound, and similarly water is itself a substance, that is compound। ये दोनों जब कंपाउंड मिलते हैं तो जाके फॉर्मेशन होता है इसका मिक्सर का। अब हम सॉल्ट को कितना भी ले सकते हैं, वाटर को कितना भी ले सकते हैं, मीन्स उनकी जो कंपोजिशन है वो फिक्स नहीं है, उनका जो रेशियो है मिक्सिंग का वो फिक्स नहीं है। सो वी विल ऑब्टेन व्हाट? मिक्सर। जैसे हियर